Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Alipay. And quite a lot number of people that are using Alipay are not actually know or aware of this, that are not actually know or aware of the fact that your Alipay account might be verified, and at the same time you may not be able to receive funds or sending out payment with your Alipay account due to some certain settings you need to enable on your phone before you can start sending and receiving payment after your Alipay account has been successfully verified with your international passport. So if you find yourself in this category of Alipay account can't receive money or can't send money out after you have been verified, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to fix this particular problem of Alipay account not receiving funds without any strike. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So I'm going to access from my Alipay app right here. Like I said in the beginning of this video, if you are the type that your Alipay account has been verified, but you cannot receive funds or you cannot send money out as a result of some certain setting, I have a case study right here. I'm going to show you. I'm going to prove to you how we solved the problem and how the account started receiving funds in the Alipay. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my WhatsApp right here. So just like what you see right here, this person contacted me from my YouTube channel or my WhatsApp right here. Good morning. Sorry, I'm having problem with my Alipay account. I can't receive payment from others. You can see it right here. First of all, if you have any issue with your Alipay, ensure that you always check your Alipay notification, because for every issue, there is always a notification that come up with that particular issue in your Alipay. Now, when this person check on the notification, it is found out that there is an important setting there they need to enable on their phone before they can actually start receiving funds, even after the Alipay is been verified. So I'm going to open up this screenshot right here so you can see. So if you find yourself in this category, this is the first thing you need to do. You need to make sure you set up your receiving payment or transfer from order with your phone number. These are the instructions direct from Alipay. So from your phone, go to setting, privacy, then from privacy, allow order to transfer money to me via mobile number. So once you enable this, then you can retry and then see how the Alipay account is going to receive payment. However, if you do the setting and you still cannot receive payment, you will need to contact Alipay customer support for a proper review of your account. So after go do the proper setting, and this is the so after a proper settings of everything, you can see my chat with this person's right here. So we finally try out the account and eventually the account received fund. So here we go. So here, so you can see this is the Alipay QR code right here. And then please, can you send me some amount and let's see if it will come now. I said okay, and I go ahead and make a transfer. You can see the name on the Alipay account right here, still the same name that I received fund right here. And I send a proof that the account is fully fine now and they can start receiving money. So you can see a confirmation right here. I have received it. Thanks for your assistance. I said welcome. It's that simple. So if you have any issue like this about Alipay, consider to apply this particular method and you will start receiving funds. But if you still cannot get it properly based on this particular video, you can put your question in the comment section down below, or better still, you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp. Let me see how I can be of help to you to solve your Alipay account issue without any stress. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Alipay account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.